come back. This is example D, and then it says that fourth root of 065.8. It is just the rule number 4 you are going to be following, which says that when you have roots of a particular logarithm, just do the logarithms and divide by the root. So in this case, we are dividing by 4. Say this is the answer of the logarithm of this is x. That will now be divided by 4. Do you get it? Now, to get the logarithm of this, I told you that you just count the number of digits before the decimal point. And for this case, is 1, 2, 3. That is 3 minus 1, which gives you 2. So 2 points, that will be 2 points. Whatever it is you get after you do, okay. Now let's see. 60 under 5 difference 8. That is for the logarithms. Now let's check our logarithms table. 60 under 5 difference 8. 60 under 5 gives us 7, 8, 1, 8. And difference 8 gives us, under difference 8, we have it to be 6. Let's add this. This gives us 14, right? 4, we have 1, that is 2, 8, 7. Point 7824. 7824. The law says that you divide by 4, right? Divide by 4, which is equal to 0.6956. Thank you. See you in next class.